What is UX UI design? First, let me explain about what is UX design. UX design focuses on how users interact with the product. It ensures a natural, efficient, and enjoyable experience of any IT product. It can be apps, it can be websites. It generally involves user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability tests. The whole purpose is to create a seamless experiences. When it comes to UI designing, the full form is user interface design. It is about creating a visual and interactive aspects of the product. It includes layouts, color, typography, buttons, and animations to create a beautiful interfaces. But is beautiful interfaces enough? No. Unless you apply UX into the design, it's not going to be a UI. So the purpose of creating a UI is the user has to interact with the interface in the easiest form and could able to perform his task. It can be buying a product, it can be booking a ticket, it can be anything on the product. Why should you learn UX UI design? It has a high demand and a career growth across all the IT product designing companies, all the e-commerce companies, healthcare companies, and finance industries. It has a high salary potential where if you compare with other industries, it has a high opportunities. Now the industry, UX industry is growing from $2.2 billion to $10 billion by 2030. And it is a very enjoyable, challenging job because your major job is to solve the real-time problems and improve user experiences across the platforms. Is coding required? No. As a UX UI designers, you are more focusing on creating the design, user psychology, research, and making a accessible design. Who can do this course? The people who are already working as a graphic designers, visual designers, and who has completed their degree, who want to get into IT jobs, but they don't like coding. All those people can join this particular course. This is a very beginner friendly course. We take step-by-step learning approach from fundamentals to advanced concepts. This doesn't involve any coding. It focuses on design thinking, usability, creativity, and psychology. And in this course, you will be dealing with so many hands-on real-time projects. And we will provide 100% placement assistance after you create your portfolio. So once the course is finished, you need to prepare your portfolio. Once your portfolio is ready, you are ready for placement assistance. Do I need a design background to join this course? Absolutely no. You don't need any design background, as in Leapfrog, we teach from the beginning, and it is a very beginner friendly course. Do we offer online and classroom training? Yes, Leapfrog offers online live interactive classes and also offline classes where you can come to our institute and learn this particular course. The course duration is 5 months, and for portfolio another 1 month you need to spend. So totally it is going to take 6 months. And if you are looking out for a fast track training program, you can finish your course in 100 days. But you need to spend at least 4 hours every day. In our regular course, every day you need to spend 1 hour live classes. Along with that, 2 hours every day assignment you need to work on. For a fast track course, you need to spend at least 4 hours every day to finish it in 100 days. After that, you need to work on your portfolio. Are there weekend batches? Yes, we do offer weekend batches. If you are interested, you are working professional, you can contact us. We provide even weekend batches also. And during this program, you will be approximately going through 12 different kinds of assignments, which involves web, desktop, tablet, and mobile related. And this entire course is powered by AI. So you will try to understand how AI is going to enhance your possibilities instead of lessening your possibilities. It will enhance your possibilities to grow in UX UI field. Is AI is going to take off your jobs? Definitely for a user experience domain. AI is going to enhance the possibilities because every automation required a proper seamless experiences. So even if you are using AI, user experience is needed to create the products. So in our course, we have included how to create user experiences for AI systems, automation, all that included in this. So this particular course is totally AI powered. So nothing to worry about what AI is going to do harm to you. You don't need to worry. We have a very advanced course. So we teach you how AI will help you do better in your job, not to reduce your performance. Join us today and start your UX UI design journey. Make your entry to IT companies without having any hassle and earn very good salaries internationally.